Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir and I am your learning buddy. In this video, we are again going to continue our journey of tenses with past perfect. So be in the video and let's get started. As usual, we are going to start with the definition. Past perfect tense is used to indicate an action that happened before another action in the past. Remember, we are talking about past here, specifically about past. So any action we will be talking about in this video is past action. You have to remember this. Here, what is happening here? Action has happened. One action has already happened. And then another action has started. But we are talking about the first action. The first action ended before the next action started. So, one action has ended before the second action started. This is the concept. This tense is used to indicate an action that happened before another action in the past. Let me provide you an example. Imagine in past two actions happened. One was the starting of meeting. A meeting started, but before the meeting, another action happened that was completion of the work by somebody. Somebody completed a work before that action started. So how can we say this in one sentence? Look at this. He had completed his work before the meeting started. He had completed his work before the meeting started. You know, meeting started in past, but before this meeting, somebody has completed his work. So somebody arrived in the meeting after completing his work. So this is the definition of past perfect. Now we will talk about the format of past perfect. The format of past perfect is subject plus had plus third form of verb, or we can say past participle. This third form is also called past participle. What you have to use in your sentences is subject, had, and third form of verb. How to use this format in our sentences? That is, I will take an example. He, one is had, finished his homework before going to school. Now, if we break it down into the format, then we can say he is a subject, had is from the format, and finished is the third form of verb or past participle. Let's make some more examples. They had run miles before reaching their destination. So they had actually run miles before reaching their destination. Look, they, subject, had from the format, run, third form of verb. Now you will ask how. If run is first form of verb, then how come can you use run as a third form? It is run, ran, run. First form, second form, and third form. They had run miles before reaching their destination. So a group of people had run miles before reaching to their destination. So this is another example of past perfect. One last example. He had left his house before rain started. So somebody had left his house before rain started. So first action was that the person left his house, and then the second action is starting of rain. Before rain started, somebody left. So this is all about past perfect tense. I hope you understood the concept and liked the video as well. In the next video, we will be talking about past perfect continuous. Until that, stay hard and keep speaking English.